Boston College has committed to keeping both the surrounding community and all of its faculty, staff, and students safe during the coronavirus pandemic. As part of this testing process, we have developed a mass testing site at Conti Forum. In order to get you better familiar with Conti Forum, we'd like to take you on a tour as if you were actually getting the test done yourself. So when you enter Gate B in Conti Forum, you're going to go into one of 9 lines. These lines are socially distanced from a physical standpoint and will lead you to the registration desk. At the registration desk, you'll be greeted by a Boston College employee who will ask for your Eagle ID number and other identifying information. Once you receive the ticket that will be printed out, that will constitute your order for the test. You'll be given a sticker that stands for the order of the test. You will then go into a single file line and go down to section N. And in section N, you'll go down the stairs and queue up in anticipation of our nose blowing area. You will then walk into the nose blowing area, and at this nose blowing station, it will again be physically distanced to help prevent any spread of any pathogens. The reason for the nose blowing area is to help decrease the amount of nasal mucosa in the nostril in order to create a satisfactory test. You will then go onto the floor where a member of the BC volunteer staff will direct you into one of 20 lanes that will be performing the COVID-19 testing. You'll be greeted by the tester, who is a member of our healthcare community. The test itself is an anterior nares swab, which only goes approximately 1 inch up the nose. Once you are greeted by the tester, they will place your sticker on the tube that will go out to the lab. You will then be sampled 1 time in each nostril with a series of rotations approximately 1 inch up your nose. After this is completed, you will then walk past the table to the left and receive a wristband. That wristband will signal to all the surrounding BC community that you have been tested. Please note that the Broad Institute has a 6 to 26 hour turnaround time from the time that they are receiving the tubes for testing. So you will have a test result that is negative emailed to you from the Broad Institute. If you do not hear from the Broad Institute or do not receive an email, there will be a line to call to inquire about your test. And also, if you have not heard in that appropriate time, positive and also inconclusive results will be called to you individually by a member of the University Health Services team. We are all in this together. It takes everybody to make the first semester run strong. If you have any concerns, please contact us, and we are looking forward to seeing you with a mask on this fall.